With the development of technology, today's industry is going through a digital evolution in order to increase productivity and reduce costs. More and more institutions are taking advantage of these interconnected systems to provide full control of their industrial areas and to optimize their operational processes. Skysens eliminates these problems in industrial areas and offers the shortest and smartest way to digital transformation. Skysens offers a much more flexible solution compared to traditional automation systems, and it creates smart industrial areas with a 360-degree monitoring feature. Skysens modules are integrated into your existing systems in minutes, and they gather all the data instantly with their industry-specific wireless technology. The gathered data is transmitted to Sky Server for further analysis and processed with artificial intelligence-based technology. Sky app allows you to instantly view all the analyzed and processed data, either on the web or mobile application with a user-friendly interface. It provides instant alerts about disruptive processes and ensures full control of your factory. Skysens can be easily integrated to any third-party application that is used for different purposes.